Hello babies, how are you all? Finally guys, I'm back with another video and another product. As you guys have been asking me on Instagram that second product कब आ रहा है, second product कब आ रहा है. So finally my second product is here. So today I'm going to show you that what my second product is. वैसे तो आप लोगों ने टाइटल देख के पता लगा ही लिया होगा कि second product क्या है, but still I'm going to show you that what it is. Yes guys, it's beauty blender. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर जो है मोस्ट एसेंशियल थिंग है जो कि आपकी वैनिटी में होनी चाहिए. लाइक इट हेल्प्स इन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. यू गाइस कैन ब्लेंड योर फाउंडेशन विद इट, यू गाइस कैन ब्लेंड योर कंसीलर, यू गाइस कैन यूज इट फॉर ड्राई प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक पाउडर, ब्लश, or you guys can like set up your face and you can like fix it with the beauty blender. So let me show you that what my beauty blender looks like. Ta-da! You guys can see that it's so pretty, like the marble look and the pear shape. I'm literally living for this, and you guys gonna love it, I'm telling you. See, it's so soft, you guys can see, or you guys can see that my nails are like long. तो मैं अगर इसको squeeze भी कर रहा हूँ अपने nails के साथ भी, see, and it's doing no harm. Like बिल्कुल ये बहुत durable है. You guys can use it for like a long period of time. I want to give my customers the best experience. So let me show you guys कि dry beauty blender का size क्या है और damp beauty blender का size क्या है. You guys can see that this one is the dry, and here you guys can see the damp one. See the difference? Like this is so small. You guys can use the dry one for your powder products. You guys can use the damp one for your foundation. You guys can use it to blend the concealer. You guys can use it to blend all cream products you guys can think of. And the dry one, you guys can use it for powder, to bake your under eye, to highlight the cheek area. You guys can use it for a lot of things. So the bottom part, you can use it to blend your foundation all over your face. You can use a pointed edge under your eyes. You guys can use this area, like the center one, to bake or to bronze. This curve shape makes it really easy to hold it. So now the thing is that ये आप लोग को कैसे मिलेगा? So I have a surprise for you all. Like it's not a surprise, but you know that I always try to do something big with my packaging. So you guys will be getting this beauty blender in this satin pouch. You guys can see. It's so pretty. You guys can use it like किसी और चीज़ के लिए भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसे आप खोलेंगे, इसके अंदर से ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर निकालेंगे. यूज़ करने के बाद यू गाइस कैन पुट इट बैक. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी प्लास्टिक थिंग, क्योंकि वो आप एक बार निकालने के बाद यू जस्ट थ्रो इट आउट और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर ऐसे इधर उधर रुलता रहता है. सो आई एम गिविंग यू गाइस दिस पाउच जिसमें आप लोग यूज़ करने के बाद ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर रख सकते हो. आई होप दैट यू गाइस गोना लव दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. So right now it's live on my website. You guys can just shop it from t-beautyshop.com right away. And now I'm collaborating with some big influencers from Pakistan, and you guys can use their code at the checkout to get some discount on your order. Yes, I hope that you guys gonna shop as soon as possible to get the best experience and get a flawless blending with my beauty blender. This is it guys. See you in the next video. Bye.